Hello and welcome to justcomparecars.com. My name's James and today I'm going to be doing a walk around video of this 2014 Nissan Cabstar. It's a NT400 Cabstar, it's 2.3 DCI, it's a 34.12 and it's a Dropside. It's done 57,000 miles and it's got full service history with 4 services. Okay, so in regards to the walk around video that I'm going to do for you today, I will show you all the panels, I'll show you the wheels and the tyres. I'll show you in the back, I'll show you obviously the drop side working, and then I'll show you inside, I'll show you the seats and then the functionality, and then finally I'll drop the cab forward for you and I'll show you the engine as well. A few things to mention: I'm recording the video in HD, so whatever you're watching it on, make sure it's on the best possible setting for that. It's also worth mentioning that if you do want delivery, we can deliver it anywhere in the world, and finance is also available as well. You need about 5 minutes of your time and we'll go through an application and we can get your decision usually within an hour. It's worth mentioning because it's a plus VAT vehicle, you would need a deposit to cover your VAT normally. Okay, so I'll start with the front and we'll work our way around, we can go from there. So because obviously there's no bonnet, it's a flat front. I'll show you the glass first. As you can see, glass is in great condition, there's no chips or chips or cracks or anything. Right, so front panel. As you can see from that, there are no dents, it's nice and straight. There are a few little marks I've noticed, like stone chips, but it's just where like stones have flew up and clipped it. There's one there, one there, one there, and one there. Not bad, but they are there. As you can see, the panel's nice and straight. The lights are very good condition as well, there's no cracks or marks on them. Mirror backs are very good. So front bumper, as you can see, there are a few marks there. It's like where it's been parked up or something. It is a work vehicle at the end of the day, it's going to get them, I suppose. And there's a few more on that corner as well. Mirror back, there's a few little marks on it, but it's in good condition. So look at the door. Door panel's in good condition. I've got a little tiny mark on the door there, but there isn't any obvious dents. Nice condition. Obviously it's worth remembering that it is a work truck. Right, so passenger side front wheel and tyre, we've got a Continental tyre, and I'd say there's approximately 3.5 mil tread on there. So the back is in very good condition, as you can see. The drop sides are nice and clean. Underneath, chassis is in good condition, as is the exhaust and suspension, which is easy to see. Diff's nice and clean, there's no obvious oil leaks or anything. Rear wheel and tyre, again it's a matching Continental. Tread, a bit more, maybe 5 or 6 mil. Okay, so let's have a look in the back. Just put this in there. So with some of these catches, all you do is push them all the way up. Just do that with my right hand, I can hold that one. So as you can see, you've got a decent level of manoeuvrability with that. Can obviously unclip those, which of course I did not do. You see, you've got a decent level of manoeuvrability with it. In the back, it's nice and clean, doesn't look like it's had a hard life, heavy life. There's a bit of rusting on stuff on the metal, but it's obviously in the back, you're going to get that. Okay, just pull that forwards. Oops. Okay, so just shut that. Round the back, rear light bars in nice condition. Spare tyre. There's approximately 3mm on there, and it's a full size. Rear panels again. Everything's nice and smart again, it's all clean. Rear wheel and tyre. Again, I think it's a Continental. Can't see the writing on it. Yeah, Continental. Again, matching to the other side, about 5 or 6mm. All the suspension's nice and clean, as you can see. Everything looks as it should. Okay, so front wheel and tyre. So the great news, it's a matching set of Contis all round, Conti van trials, and it's matching to the other side, about 3 or 4mm. Driver's door and panel. Panel's nice and clean, good condition. As is the glass. I've got a little bit of damage here on the pillar. It's not bad. It has dented it slightly, but it's not serious. And if you look down the edge, there's a little bit of paint missing on the edge as well. If it's just caught something as it's gone down or something. But the rest of the door panel looks good. There's a little bit of a dent there by the look of it. It's not obvious, but it is there. That's me being hypercritical. Okay, so let's have a look inside. Driver's door, you've got electric windows, and also you can lock your windows as well. There's a little bit of paint missing on the arch. Driver's seat is in good condition. The bolsters are nice and tight and firm. Unfortunately, there's a little bit of damage on the driver's seat, just obviously where you get in and out. I believe there's a new sponge coming for that, but that will potentially be done. That's obviously not the whole, but you'll have a new sponge on that arm. But to be honest with you, it's all right. I've just driven it to this point. It's comfortable. It's not a problem. Inside, floor mats are all nice and clean, in good condition. Let me climb in. Shut that door. So you've got 4 keys, 2 remote keys, and then 2 service keys. I can tell you this truck runs great. It's been snowing here recently, it's been cold, and it started on the button, as you'll see. So a bit of preheat, and it fires up straight away, no problem at all. Let's have a quick look inside. So as you can see, we've got the FM, AM, CD player. It's also got Bluetooth for hands-free as well, so you've got your mobile phone on there as well, and you can use your buttons here to hang up and answer, and then your volume control for your phone as well. We've got USB and auxiliary. You can lock your doors from there, as you can see, or here, and then you've got your heater controls on the right, in the middle, sorry. Passenger seats, you've got obviously a middle seat which converts to a desk, and then your passenger seat. Passenger seats, nice and firm. To be fair, they don't look like they've been used to me. Seats in really good condition. Just have a quick look at the armrest in the middle. You basically push the arm down, and then you've got a solid centre which you can put your notes and things on, and it can also open up and you've got a bit of a tray inside. And there's some little cubby holes down the back as well, and also one above the driver. Not massive, but it's there. You've got your glove box there, and also you've got a centre box as well for any extra bits that you need, and there's a little pocket in down here as well. Everything works. It's a 5-speed manual gearbox with a reverse. Oh, it's a top box as well, I forgot about that. So there's a top box as well. as you can see. Oops. So yeah, that's that. What I'll do, I'm going to pause the video now just while I switch the engine off, and I'll get the body cocked up. It's nice and straightforward to do it, to be honest with you, but it's worth showing it you. I'll just lock myself in and get out. There we go. I will show you how you do it. I'm sure you, if you've not seen it before, it's ever so straightforward. There's a few extra bits down there as well. Just shut that, that's fine. Might as well keep recording, I think. Okay, so if I remember right, you push that down, pull that up, sorry, and then pull that up, and that locks up. And then there's a lever down here, and you pull that, and it up comes. There we go. Obviously making sure your doors and things are shut and everything's in place. And that locks in place there, as you can see. Quite straightforward, really. So as you can see, the engine's in nice clean condition. There's no nasty oil marks or anything. All the levels look good. The other side. Oil filter looks new. Belts looks good. Yeah, so everything looks nice and clean. There's no obvious signs of any oil leaks or anything. It's obviously been well maintained because of the fact it's got the full service history, and it's in nice condition. Okay, let's have a quick look at the roof, why it's like that. As you can see, the roof panel's in great condition as well. Okay, so I'll end the video there. If you've got any questions, all my contact details are at the end. I appreciate your time. Thank you. Bye bye.